Hi, welcome to Ask Irvi. Today's question is I have a pear-shaped body type and my BMI is 35. I have planned to lose about 90 pounds. What's the best exercise to minimize loose skin after weight loss besides surgery? I hate to say this, but it's the truth, and I'm not going to BS you. There is no way to minimize loose skin. It depends on so many factors and it varies for so many people what the outcome is going to be of weight loss. Some people can lose 100 pounds and barely have any loose skin. Some people can lose 20 and, they're flapping away and, with the wings. It is just impossible to tell. It's based on so many factors like, first and foremost, your genetics, then your skin's ability to bounce back. So like the collagen and elastin levels in your skin. And also where you fill out. Some people carry all their weight in their legs, some people in their stomach, some people it's distributed all over the body. So depending on where your weight is distributed, it's going to have some impact on where you have and how much you have loose skin. That being said, one of the best ways to you'll never be able to truly minimize it completely, but you can help yourself along by taking the slow and steady method to not do anything extreme for the body. When you take your time and lose weight properly and safely, so no more than 1 to 2 pounds a week. And when I say 2 pounds, I mean if you have significant amount of weight to lose. At that point, then 2 pounds. But ideally, 1.5 pounds per week is probably the best bet. And then the less you have, the less you're going to go. So if you have like 20 pounds, go half a pound per week. You might not get to where you want to be as fast as you'd like, but the more time you take for your body to adjust to the changes you're making to it, first of all, you're going to have a better outcome because you're not messing up your hormones as much. So you're more likely to be stable throughout the whole weight loss process, and your body won't freak out and first of all do funky things, which can really happen if you go through like extreme dieting. The other thing is when you lose weight slowly, your skin has a chance to sort of bounce back a little bit better than as opposed to just deflating, with an extreme weight loss. So I would say the best thing you can do for loose skin overall is just to take your time and do it safely. That is the best outcome that you'll get, but there is just no way to say, if you're gonna have loose skin, how to prevent it, because you can't. You might just be one of the lucky ones where, your skin just kind of sucks back into itself and you don't have any extremes. Unfortunately, once the skin is stretched out, it's stretched out. There's really not much that you can do to pull it back in. And if you ever see any creams, any contraptions, anything of the sort that claims that it could tighten your skin back in, I would steer clear of that. It's honestly BS. There's just no way to address loose skin other than surgery. And like I said, taking your time and doing it slow and steady. Taking it slow and steady is your best bet. It's the only advice I would give. Stay away from anything that requires a penny to do. Stay away from it. It ain't it. It ain't gonna happen. I know it's not an answer that most people want to hear, but it's the honest one. And the sooner you accept that, you'll be much happier. You won't be wasting money on shams and scams. It's all BS. At the end of the day, the only thing, if you really have loose skin, the only thing that can fix that is surgical intervention. So save yourself the stress, the time, and the money. Those things just don't work. I'm sorry to say, it is what it is, but I would rather tell you the truth, because the sooner you accept that, the better off you'll be. Maybe if you're really concerned about having a lot of loose skin, maybe instead of let's say you want to lose 100 pounds. So maybe go lose 80 pounds, leave a little bit of that extra weight on to sort of support and fill out that loose skin. Like for me, when I lost 130 pounds, I had more loose skin, but when I gained some back, like 20, 25 pounds, which I'm right now at about like 25 pounds away from my lowest weight since my weight loss journey. Right now, I'm pretty happy because although I still have loose skin, it's not as bad as it was 25 pounds ago. So that's another way to mitigate it. Like it's not a fix, but if loose skin is an issue for you and you don't want to go down the surgery road, like I didn't want to go and I don't want to go down that road, that's one option, is just to not lose as much weight as you intend to, which in and of itself is not a bad thing because that just means you'll get to where you want to go sooner. Thanks. I hope that answer settles it once and for all. I really do hope that you don't stress yourself out, and I hope that doesn't discourage you from taking that weight loss journey that you want to do, because at the end of the day, like, your health is your wealth and it should come first and foremost, and then all the rest. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Urvi. If you have a question that you'd like me to answer on my Ask Urvi segment, just post it in the comment section below or send it to me on my Instagram through my DMs. Sign up for my newsletter on my website, and until next time, take care.